Skydream Productions.
Hello everybody, my name is Jay from Skydream Productions. I'll be doing a quick review today on a new case for your DJI Mini 2. Let's take a look. Hello everybody, before we get to the review, I just want to say thank you for all your likes and your comments. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos and reviews more to come. So let's get started. This here is the traveling case that you would have gotten with your DJI Mini 2 if you did the Fly More combo. This is a nice case. However, eventually you're going to outgrow this case with more accessories, more batteries, and so forth like that. Eventually you're going to outgrow this case. This is going to be your one-stop shop. This is going to be your case that you're going to need, and you're only going to own for a very long time. I really don't think you're going to be outgrowing this case whatsoever. So let's take a look. This case is by Soko. So I've already kind of moved in. So here you go. You basically just have one main flap in the middle. You do have a storage compartment here on the top flap. Nice mesh. I have a charger here, aftermarket charger, a rapid charger. This has enough spot to put a nice tablet, nice size tablet, good 6-inch, 5-inch tablet here as well. Also, you have these slots here for more storage. I have my SD card. I have more spots for the joysticks, propellers, and so forth like that. So all the other accessories you may need, everything's right here. Onto the drone. The drone here has a lot of storage as well. It has a storage for the battery, nice tight fit, very nice. Also, you have a spot for your controller, and if you've noticed that the joysticks are screwed on, so I don't need to keep screwing them on, screwing them off. It fits perfectly, and I really don't see it touching or anything like that. It's fairly tight. However, that's fine. I actually just keep the wire for the controller just basically off to the side, so when I open everything up, I have it right here. Also with the drone, if you notice, it's unfolded. This is a big pro for this case. And also, once you take it out, I still have the gimbal guard still on there. So this is more efficient when you're basically out in the field. As we know, sunset, sunrise. You're talking about the timing is everything. So with this here, I've flown a few times and I haven't had to calibrate it. Now, do you need to calibrate a drone? Yes. I feel like when I'm at a local spot that I go to a while, I really don't calibrate it. I calibrate it more or less when I'm at a different location and so forth like that. But yeah, this is, you just take it out, take off the gimbal guard, and you're good to go. So I feel that's a really big pro for this. I know some people are saying, well, it's not that much just to unfold it and open it. But again, if you don't get the calibration right the first shot, you might have to keep on doing it again, and there goes your beautiful sunset down the drain. All right, and underneath here is a nice storage compartment where I house my shade, also the wires for the charger, just another accessory here for my phone. Here is that thing that we would have put over the drone and lock the propellers, so you no longer need that. I have space for my ND filters as well. All in all, this is a perfect case. I mean, it's a one-stop case. There's, I don't feel like you don't need anything else, and everything is all within one. You don't need to basically, carry a bag with extra components. Everything is in, one bag here. And the durability of this is awesome. I mean, I was in the rain with this. I was at the beach. Didn't really get sandy. Didn't get, sand within the material. What I might do on this, and this is just me, I might probably like do like a rubber sealant in the bottom of it. So it's just more or less I don't mess up the material itself, more than saying it's not, a good case. It's just basically if I'm going to be having it on the street, the ground, the sand, it'll just be more durable. You can actually use this for a launch pad as well. Once you seal it up, if you're on the sand, put that, and you can launch it straight off of here as well. But yeah, this is just a great case, and it's actually not, it's a little bigger than the traveling one, but I feel like it's a nice size case. This is probably, I want to say, good 6 inches wide. You're looking at probably a little more than 6 height wise on this. Comes with a nice strap on this as well. Nice comfortable handle as well. The rubber, really nice grip on this. But yeah, altogether, this is just a nice purchase. I'm very happy with this purchase. I'll be putting the link below. So again, just I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Again, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Again, this is just another review from Sky Productions. My name is Jay. I'll catch you next time. Thank you very much.